Hello and welcome to One Small Cube, where we like to dive into the world of science and engineering. And don't forget, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. So today we'll be attempting this Origami Water Bomb. For this exercise I'm using the 70-gram Origami A4 paper in the description below, but I have used standard 80-gram white paper for this without any issues. And here we have our crease pattern for the piece. Now there's a link below in the description to my Gumroad store where you can download a free version of this, or you can just mark it out for yourself if you want. Now this piece as a whole doesn't have to be square, just keep those individual units square, then you can repeat the pattern in any direction until you run out of paper. So with your crease pattern cut to size and facing up, we can start to fold the paper. So this one is 4 folds along one direction and 8 folds along the other direction. Just remember to get those folds nice and sharp. Now this is probably one of the easiest origami tessellation patterns to complete, and because of that it makes this one ideal to be one of your first big projects if you want to do it with a large sheet of paper. And just double check every fold by going over each one again. And here we have our folded crease pattern. So what I tend to do with this one is, with the continuous solid blue lines in a vertical position, just slowly and gently I move 2 short solid blue horizontal lines towards each other. But to begin with, and with the continuous solid blue line horizontal this time, I like to quickly do the top and bottom edges first. These are the easiest ones, and it just quickly gets you on your way and gives the rest of the folds a bit of a helping hand too. So I'll rotate that around so the solid blue lines are vertical again, and let's make a start. Again, it's just this slow process of guiding those folds in the right direction, slowly, bit by bit, just more and more pressure on the folds. And here's where we find out how good our initial folding of the crease pattern was. After a while you'll start to see the pattern form, and it gets easier the more folds you complete. So once it looks like everything's moving in the right direction, it's probably easy to flip it over and pinch those mountain lines together and pushing two towards each other until it collapses. And there we have it. And the bigger the pattern you start with, the more impressive this design looks. Well, I hope you liked today's video. In the description below there are links to my origami playlist that show some basic origami patterns you can try. So do give them a go, they're well worth exploring, and hit subscribe to help us out with more videos like this one.